Okay, so delete that. Change your view to right ortho. Down here you can see anything I'm pushing. Okay, so the letter is down there. Shift A for add. Empty image. And then there's a tick box down here, align to view. And then S to scale, make it bigger. And then this one is where I'm going to put the picture in, desktop. Oops. I think because it's turned side on, it's not perfect, but it'll be okay. So I'm going to click here. So that is my 3D cursor. Shift A, I'm going to add a mesh, and this is going to be a circle. And at the moment it's horizontal, I want to rotate it. Okay, so align to view, and vertices is 32. I can change that if I want to, but I'll just leave it as it is. And might make that a bit bigger. So it's about the same size. I'm going to go to edit mode, and then I'm going to push F for fill. And then I to inset, and then I can start to bring this in at a different size. So that's about the same size as this. And then again to about the size as that one, and then bring in about that size. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn side on, and then I'm going to extrude the thickness. So I have to guess this because I don't know the exact dimensions, but E to extrude, and I'm going to go in this axis, which is the X axis. That's my best guess on that. Now I can notice that's quite dark, so I'm going to recalculate the direction. So if I look on the side, shade it, recalculate, there, recalculate. So that flips the correct direction. Okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do is make it look nice and round. So I'm over here with the toolbar, add modifier, and subdivision surface. It's going to look quite strange, but this is what makes it look rounded. So I'm going to have to add some extra cuts. So this is Control R. And so if I click one there and then pull out, and again Control R out to there, Control R, like that. And then I'm going to hold down Alt and click here. And so that one I can pull in on the X axis. Pull that in here. And then Control R. And if I show or hide that, there's an eye over the side there. That makes it a bit easier. And again, Alt click this part. So then I can make a internal hole. So I bring in, and depends how much detail I want to make, but I could make take like that, and then if I go to face mode and alt click there, then I might bring that x-axis. I could actually do extrude, and you can pop that in. So if you want to add an extra detail, that nut there I'd probably do separately. I might delete that face, and I might just do something. Control R, cut, Z for wireframe, delete that whole part, and then I'm going to put in a modifier, which is going to be a mirror. See the mirror? And go. So that's not quite in the right place because this orange dot is in the wrong spot. So I need to move that orange dot. So I'm going to highlight that whole thing, pull that way. But you have to be in the correct mode, edit mode, for that to work. So I've got a front and a back that look the same. And then I'm going to turn on clipping. And I'll click that side, and then I can pull this away. Once I come together, now there's no pulling away because the clipping is on. And then, nice little trick there, might grab that edge, E to extrude, and the X-axis, make it come right into the middle. So I've got a nice hole there for it. I can turn that back on. And then if I want to put these holes in, I can go face mode, take one, and just see how it works out. Try E to extrude, X-axis. Is that working? Looks. That didn't work quite the way I wanted it to. Just trying it out. EX. No. Might. That looks filled in. It's not looking quite the way I wanted it to. That's why. Had the wrong tick box on. EX. There we go. See, it's coming in now. So I could do that. Something like that. EX. And delete faces. It's got nice little holes through there. Yep, yep. That looks quite cool. That's all right. So we got some nice looking roller skates. And to make this look pink and white, if you look at that material, and we're going to change to cycles, and then in this material, see the plus, make a new material. So this is going to be pink, and I can change a lot of settings down here, but to do more settings, I'm going to adjust, push T. This is going to be the node editor. Oops. Node editor, that one there. So I'm going to delete that one. X, Shift A to add, principal, PRIN, and then I get that one. Okay. Then connect this, and then this white I'm going to change to whichever color that I want to change it to. Okay. And then I need to attach it. Short, and I'm going to highlight, hold down Shift and Alt. Oops. And I'm going to choose Assign. Then make a new one. White plastic. A new one. Silver metal. So then I will make Control I. That's going to swap that out. So that swaps. And then deselect some of that middle part. So that part is going to be the white plastic, the sign, then so then now pink metal, pink plastic, yep, so that'll do. Now I'm going to change my view down here to material. So that's pink, select, so that part's going to be white. Then this one. Down there, and metallic, I'll drag that all the way up to there, so that should be shiny. So it's nice and shiny, whereas that one's just white, that one's pink. If I want to make that pink a little bit see-through, like clear, then I can change principle perhaps to glass, and it goes slightly see-through. Yeah, and so then I can change that back to sort of a pink look. Now, if I'm in rendered view, there's not enough light, so I will put extra light, edit mode, lamp, sun, rotate, turn the sun up a bit, 5, put another light over here, light, ground, so there I have a wheel. Okay. It looks a little bit bumpy around through here, so I might just change that a little bit. Looks a bit better. Still a bit inconsistent through that part. That's better. It's a more smooth curve, I think. And that one's silver metallic. Select, yeah. So that's how I would look at making a wheel. So that one's quite good. I have another one that I've made previously that I think I probably did a slightly better job. So let me just made another one previously. So here's another one that I made, so you can make it any sort of shape you like. So I think I did a better job with that one. I even put words on it as well. And I've put some scratches and things on it. So it depends on what level of quality you want to make. So obviously that node tree there is a bit more complex in terms of its materials, but I still have materials that I've added. I put in scratches on the plastic, but I'll save this video and then I want you to have a go at trying to make the wheel, okay?